What's up, guys? Rev7 here. I wanted to make a quick video because I saw this at Walmart. They are crossing over Hot Wheels color shifters and mystery models. They're calling them, oh, okay.
So like the mystery model color shifters.
Yeah.
Oh,
and
that is
there's
cool.
only 10 options. Actually, I don't want to look at it. I saw a few of them, but I want it to be a surprise. I want it to be a surprise.
No, I didn't even see it.
And then I'll look at what can be in it later. I want to keep it a surprise because I might buy more of these. I remember color shifters being the coolest thing back when I was a kid.
I agree.
It's a really cool technology, and it's been around since I think the 80s. So it's cool to see them have never come off the shelves. I think it's because they're still pretty interesting to kids.
Yeah.
So
it's still hard to me. I'm really attracted to color, so I mean.
Contents 2 cars, 3 reveals. We'll have to test that out. So we'll reveal what's in there, and then it looks like there might be 3 different colors. What the heck?
Yeah. What actually is funny, it's a double mystery. So you don't know what's in there, and you don't know what color it'll transform into.
Yeah, so it's in like a barrel.
Hopefully it just doesn't straight up tell you. Hopefully you find out yourself.
Yeah.
But it probably will, because the barrel probably has some loaded things. All right.
Okay, I like that opening. So you can pull out one side at a time and see what car it is. First up, we got... Try not to look at both.
All right. I'm looking away, I promise I'm looking away.
Try not to look at both. Come on, come out. Ooh, Vendetta.
Vendetta! This is like still one of my favorites.
What the?
So it transforms into orange right now. Wait, it's just that plain? It's just that plain of a...
Hang on. I think this is like a coating that can come off, and then you'll see what the paint job is.
No way.
This is like a sticky component. Like,
oh yeah.
And I think it comes off, and it'll show what the actual paint job is, and then you can change it to 2 colors after that.
No way.
That is sick. After we open these, I'll run some cold water.
Will it just
some
expire?
hot water. I mean,
it looks like the window is already coming off. Not the window, but it looks like...
Yeah, that's what makes me think this isn't real paint. This looks like I spray painted it orange.
Yeah. Does this look...
The front wheel doesn't even move. Yeah, so I'm thinking this comes off. I'll look at how this works after we reveal the other car.
Watch it, yeah. What in the world?
Yeah. That's pretty cool. So Vendetta's the first one. I'm interested to see what that looks like. Now, this is not what I expected.
Yeah, me neither.
It said color reveal, and then it said color shifters.
Oh,
I did not expect
this. How much was this actually?
I think it was like $6 or no, it was like 8. But that's pretty cool, honestly, for what you get to do here. See what next up we got.
What is that?
Whoa! Now this is actually, when I accidentally looked at what came in this, I'm like, that's actually an interesting design. This is a jet-powered semi-truck. And the wheels do not even move because it's covered in this weird... This is interesting.
I think this is where you can see where, okay, it also came with this too.
Yeah, so, okay, so here's the instructions, and we'll follow these in a second. So, there's nothing else in here, so there's not like a solution.
Oh, okay.
So first you put it in water, then you heat up the water, and then you put cold water in. So what I'm going to do...
Oh, dang. I wish we got this. Okay.
Oh my gosh, these are really good cars.
Very good cars. Look at this. Chicane and...
Shadow Jet 2?
Yes.
Oh my god, I haven't seen this in a while.
Neither.
MIG rig, that's all right. Little truck.
Moly.
Turbine Time. Speedy Perez, that's like a wicked futuristic...
Oh my gosh.
Formula 1 car. Diaper Dragger, the like crib car.
The crib car.
Blitz,
I always thought it was funny.
Blitz Speeder and Bulletproof. Why are these... Oh, so 4 are orange, 4 are red, and 2 are gray.
I want Chicane and Shadow Jet. That's a good
Honestly,
duo.
I'd be happy with any one of these.
Me too, honestly. But I would be happy with this.
You know what? I might go buy some more of these because these are pretty sick.
Yeah.
Especially if the technology works. So that's a really cool assortment of cars. Yeah. Shadow Jet 2 is a bold thing to put in here.
Yeah.
Chicane's an accelerator's car. It looks like it's got those like...
Chicane's a pretty car.
It looks like Chicane's got these wheels, which I'm interested to see. Not too interested in MIG rig or El Superfasto, but I got the 2 I like here. And honestly, all 4 of these would be fun.
Yeah.
Especially
looks like
whatever this gray means, because I don't know why there's 2 of them and 4 of the others.
I wonder if it's a rare one.
Maybe. Well, it's rare technically, but I wonder. And it's at the top of the list too, so we'll see. I like the rarity system they got going on.
Found more things to reveal or review, 100%.
Yeah. So all right, we'll see how this works. I'm gonna heat up some water and put some cold water, and we'll see how this works.
All right.
Cut to the future. Okay, we got ourselves in the barrel that they came in, some room temperature water. It said that you can reveal 3 different things based on the temperature and then just putting in water. So I'm gonna set it in here, see what happens. As you spin it, oh, it's getting slimy. What the heck?
It's turned orange?
Yeah.
The orange just wore off.
Oh, cool. This is a unique... Holy smokes. It looks like a potion. This is like some like paint or something that's like wicked reactive to water. It's spilling water all over my floor. Ah, cool. Let's keep doing this. Hope this doesn't get dye everywhere. Okay, so this has been sitting in here for a few minutes. So now to see what the regular paint scheme is.
Woo! Oh my gosh.
I haven't seen a regular color shifter in a while. I forgot they always have this, so what do you want to call this paint scheme design? It's like a neon, almost glow in the dark look. Okay, we got metal base, red wheels, and this green body. I'm gonna go fill this up with some cold water and see what we get here. All right, and while we got the truck in the barrel, let me see what hot water can do for Vendetta. I got the truck in the cool water, turbine time. Let's see what hot water does to this car. And all it is doing is making the regular color come out more pure, I think. Yeah, so cold water is probably what makes this one a different color. So let me go get some cold water. Okay, so the cold water reveal for Vendetta instantly turns blue. Cool. It's like an indigo blue. That looks awesome. Now let's do half and half. Take a look at that. I'm stupid. All right, cold water.
Cold water transition.
Interesting. All right, now let's take a look at what this guy looks like now. And it's still got a lot of this stuff in it. Maybe the hot water will get it off quicker. Yeah, it's coming off quicker. It really is like paint. All right, I'll speed up until we got the cold water reveal ready. Making quite a bit of a mess here, but this is what turbine time looks like warm. It's like white with these black flames or gray flames. Try to get as much of that orange paint off as I can. It doesn't come off perfectly, but this is a cool truck. Now for the cold water reveal. Whoa, it turned gray. Wow. Very cool. It's awesome how instantaneous it is. I think this would look good with a, let's just try the white hood. Pretty cool. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching. I don't know if you can see them both down there.
There's some crazy designs.
We got Vendetta. And turbine time.
Got blue.
Pretty cool. We'll probably get more of these. This is a fun idea. And I'll make the reveals a little more satisfying instead of me just jamming it in a cup of ice. Have a good rest of you guys' day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.